42 unexpected uses for apple cider vinegar that will change your life. If you think that apple cider vinegar is only good for dressing salads, prepare to be amazed. In this video you will discover no less than 42 surprising ways to use this incredible natural ingredient, from cooking to personal well-being, from household cleaning to gardening. There is no aspect of everyday life that does not benefit from it. Stay with me until the end and you will see why apple cider vinegar is such a powerful, economical, and versatile ally. Let's get started. 1. Improves digestion. Add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water before meals to stimulate the production of gastric juices and aid digestion. In addition, its properties help reduce abdominal swelling. If you suffer from heartburn, remember to dilute it well and not use too much. 2. Degrease and sanitize the kitchen. Apple cider vinegar is a great natural degreaser. Simply spray some on the surfaces you want to clean, like your stove, countertops, or stainless steel hoods. Let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe with a damp cloth. You'll see how even the toughest dirt dissolves and everything is left sparkling clean, without the need for harsh chemicals. 3. Add shine to the hair. Have you ever noticed that your hair sometimes looks dull after washing it? A final rinse with a solution of water and apple cider vinegar helps to close the hair cuticles, making the hair look softer and shinier. It also helps to balance the pH of the scalp, helping to reduce dandruff. A real beauty cure for your hair. 4. Decongests the nose. If you have a cold or a stuffy nose, try inhaling steam from hot water mixed with a little apple cider vinegar. Although the smell is strong, the steam helps to thin mucus and clear the airways. A natural remedy for breathing better. 5. Prevents muscle cramps. Apple cider vinegar is rich in minerals, especially potassium, which is essential for muscle health. Consuming it regularly, always diluted in water, can help prevent annoying night cramps and promote blood circulation. 6. Clean and disinfect fruits and vegetables. Soak fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water and apple cider vinegar to remove pesticide residue, dirt, and surface bacteria. Just soak for a few minutes and rinse thoroughly afterwards to enjoy cleaner, safer food. 7. Whiten your teeth with caution. Apple cider vinegar can help remove surface stains from teeth thanks to its mild abrasive and disinfectant action. However, it should always be used diluted in water and in moderation to avoid damaging the enamel. A monthly rinse is enough to notice a slight improvement. 8. Works as a natural deodorant. If you're looking for an alternative to commercial deodorants, try applying a little apple cider vinegar, diluted in water, to your armpits. It helps neutralize the bacteria that cause bad odor. Don't worry! The strong smell disappears in a few minutes, leaving your skin feeling fresh. 9. Relieves insect bites. Apply a cotton ball soaked in apple cider vinegar to the affected area to reduce swelling and itching. A simple and easy remedy to always have on hand in summer. 10. Eliminates bad odors from shoes. Do you know that unpleasant smell in your shoes? Pour a few drops of apple cider vinegar on a cotton pad and leave it inside your shoes overnight. In the morning, the smell will be gone or noticeably reduced. 11. Keeps bread fresh longer. Adding a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to bread dough promotes fermentation and delays mold, keeping it softer and fresher for longer. 12. Scare away ants. If you have ants in your home, spray some apple cider vinegar in the areas where you see them. The acidic smell creates an unfavorable environment for them, deterring them from entering. Repeat the operation frequently to maintain the effect. 13. Helps you lose weight. Drinking a glass of water with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar before main meals can make you feel full and help you control your weight. Remember not to overdo it, and not replace your meals with this drink. 14. Reduces facial swelling. If you wake up in the morning with a swollen or tired face, use apple cider vinegar diluted in water as a toner. Apply it with a cotton pad and let it dry. Its astringent effect helps reduce swelling and combat small imperfections. 15. Descale the washing machine. For a deep clean of your washing machine, run it empty with a couple of glasses of apple cider vinegar. This will remove lime scale, detergent residue, and bad odors, prolonging the life of your appliance. 16. Softens dry skin. Fancy a relaxing and moisturizing bath? Add 1 or 2 cups of apple cider vinegar to your bath water. It will help restore the skin's natural pH, leaving it softer and more elastic. 17. Removes detergent residue from clothes. Adding a glass of apple cider vinegar to your washing machine during the final rinse helps remove soap residue, leaving clothes softer and free of chemicals. It also acts as a gentle natural fabric softener. 18. Prevents rice from sticking. When cooking rice, add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to the water. This little trick helps to loosen the grains and prevent them from forming a single block. You will get perfectly loose rice. 19. Disinfect wooden cutting boards. Wood easily absorbs moisture and bacteria. To sanitize your boards, spray apple cider vinegar on them, let it sit for a few minutes, and rinse with hot water. Clean and natural. 20. Helps fight acne. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial and astringent properties. Dilute it in water and using a cotton ball, gently apply it to the affected areas to help purify pores and reduce pimples and blackheads. 21. Remove lime scale from the coffee maker. If your coffee has lost flavor, it could be due to lime buildup. Pour a cup of apple cider vinegar into the water tank of your coffee maker, run an empty cycle, then rinse with water. You'll be able to enjoy more intensely flavored coffee again. 22. Polishes mirrors without leaving streaks. Forget about chemical glass cleaners. A simple mixture of water and apple cider vinegar, applied with a microfiber cloth, will leave your mirrors sparkling and streak-free. 23. Helps heal wounds. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic properties, apple cider vinegar, well diluted, can help heal small cuts and scrapes. Make sure the wound is not deep and that the vinegar is diluted enough to avoid discomfort. 24. Refrigerator deodorant. If bad smells persist in your fridge, place a bowl of apple cider vinegar in a corner. It will absorb unpleasant smells, leaving the room fresher and cleaner. 25. Clean your hands after cooking. Have onions, garlic, or fish left strong odors on your hands? Wash them with water and a little apple cider vinegar to quickly neutralize these unwanted aromas. 26. Prevents eggs from breaking during cooking. When boiling eggs, add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to the water. It will help the egg white stay firm and prevent the shell from cracking and the egg from spilling out. 27. Help in the preservation of homemade preserves. Apple cider vinegar is a great ally for prolonging the shelf life of homemade preserves, such as pickles and pickled vegetables, thanks to its preservative and acidifying power. 28. Give shine to indoor plants. Are your plant's leaves collecting dust? Prepare a solution of water with a few drops of apple cider vinegar and gently wipe the leaves with a soft cloth. This will restore their shine and help them to photosynthesize better. 29. Dissolves glue from old stickers. Labels that are difficult to remove from glass jars or plastic containers. Soak the area with a cloth soaked in apple cider vinegar and let it sit. After a few minutes, the glue will soften and you'll be able to remove the sticker more easily. 30. Leaves the floor sparkling. Add a glass of apple cider vinegar to a bucket of hot water to scrub the floor. The result will be an incredible shine. It also helps trap dust and does not leave marks on tile or porcelain floors. 31. Prevents oily hair. If your hair gets greasy quickly, try a final rinse with water and apple cider vinegar. It helps regulate sebum production, leaving hair less greasy and lighter. 32. Disinfect makeup brushes. Makeup brushes can accumulate bacteria and cosmetic residue. To thoroughly clean them, soak them in warm water with apple cider vinegar for a few minutes, then rinse and let them air dry. 33. Relieves sore joints. A hot bath with apple cider vinegar can provide relief to those suffering from muscle or joint pain, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to improve local circulation. 34. Removes sweat stains from clothes. Those unsightly yellow stains on your clothes can be improved if, before washing, you apply apple cider vinegar to the affected area. Leave it to act for a few minutes, and then put the garment in the washing machine. You will see how they are noticeably reduced. 35. Neutralizes toilet odors. Pour a cup of apple cider vinegar directly into the toilet bowl and let it sit for at least half an hour. Then, scrub with the toilet brush and flush the toilet. The bad smells will disappear. 36. Extends the life of your manicure. Before applying nail polish, wipe each nail with a cotton ball soaked in apple cider vinegar. This will remove oils and impurities, allowing the polish to adhere better and last longer. 37. Cures mouth ulcers. Rinsing with water and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, well diluted, can help disinfect and reduce the inflammation of canker sores. Be careful not to swallow it, and rinse your mouth thoroughly afterwards. 38. Eco-friendly dishwasher cleaning. Place a glass of apple cider vinegar in the top rack of your dishwasher during an empty cycle to remove built-up food and grease. Your dishes will be cleaner, and your appliance will run better. 39. Protect your dog's paws from winter salt. After a winter walk, salt residue on the sidewalks can irritate the paw pads of our furry friends. Clean them with a solution of water and apple cider vinegar to remove the residue and relieve any irritation. 40. Remove mold from walls. Spray apple cider vinegar directly onto the areas affected by mold. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a brush or cloth. Repeat the process until the mold is completely gone. 41. Keeps cut flowers fresh longer. Adding a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to the water in your vase can slow bacterial growth, helping your flowers stay fresh longer and prolonging their beauty. 42. Revitalize your feet with a relaxing bath. After a long day, there's nothing better than soaking your feet in warm water mixed with apple cider vinegar. This foot bath helps reduce inflammation of tired feet, softens hard skin, and reduces bad odor thanks to its antimicrobial properties. For extra well-being, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Which of these tricks will you try first? Tell me in the comments. And if you know other uses for apple cider vinegar, share them with the community. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to continue receiving tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching and see you next time.